Welcome back to a new video, guys. We have interrupted our Polish series because we have a bit more of an up-to-date video. If you've been watching our videos, then you know that we've been traveling around Poland. We've had an amazing time and there are still plenty more videos to come. For those of you that haven't watched a few videos back when we said we had big announcements, well, this is one of the announcements. We were preparing a cottage, 2 Airbnbs, and now it's the time where we are actually going to be moving into one of them for the time being while the whole coronavirus is happening. So without further ado,
time is here. The builders have moved out and left us the cottage. Obviously, there's a lot of finishing touches to be done by us, like putting up the curtains, cleaning, all the rest of it. But this is it. I'm literally standing on our heated tiles. I'm loving it.
you forgot to mention the first thing we need to do, or second thing we need to do, is put the Christmas tree up in the corner.
Is it going that corner? Because I thought it would be going here.
There?
Yeah.
No.
Really? Yeah, honestly. But on that side.
Because then people can't see it from the outside.
That's true.
I thought it would go there. Or in the middle.
We need to put the sofa in. We need to clean. We need curtains. We need to make the bed.
Whoa, let's make the bed.
Oh.
Let's go. Alright, the curtains are up, guys. It was a bit of a painstaking task. Well, not for me, but for the builder. We've got all of them up. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 poles up. I think they look pretty cool. But we still need to clean. We've got the couch in, which is looking good. We're not feeling everything right now. We've still got like a table to buy and some things for the windows and upstairs in the bedroom. But the most important thing that I have got, outdoor Christmas lights, the ones that dangle down. So this is gonna go all the way around the house. It's gonna be epic. I bought 5 packs, so I think we've got enough. But that's not gonna happen right now because we have got a trailer on the back of the beautiful car. So I need to unload that. We've got barbecues, we've got bicycles, pots and pans, everything that we need to put in here. So yeah. Get a time lapse on the go and let's get unpacked. Conveniently, Theodora's got a hairdresser appointment, so looks like I'm gonna be doing all the unpacking on my own.
Love you.
Yeah, leave me hanging, babe. Jeez. Okay, we bought this air fryer about 2 weeks ago, and I tell you, it's absolutely amazing. It's got a drawer you pull out. You can pretty much cook fries in there, roast potatoes, jacket potatoes, like fish, loads of stuff. Like 20 minutes, you pretty much cooked everything. And I think it was about 35 euros, so that was an absolute bargain. And guys, if you haven't got a Vitamix, highly recommend to get one. We've had this one about 10 years and they've got like a 30-year warranty. It's broken once, but they repaired it for free within a week and I got it back, and this is a beast of a blender. So just quickly while Theodore's away, guys, I'm growing my beard back. A couple of years ago I had a nice old biggie bush. Winter's coming, I'm thinking, you know, grow the beard. She's not a massive fan of it. Her mum's not a massive fan of it. Most people I know are not a fan of it, but sometimes a man's just got to grow a beard. Hey Google, pause. Right, seeing as Theodora's left me on my own, she's gone to get a haircut, I'm gonna have a cheeky Guinness, seeing it is my first day well, it's technically the second day in the house. It is a Monday, so it's a bit naughty. I love the way the Guinness pours and you see like all the foam come up. Look at that. Beautiful. Cheers, guys. Ah, beautiful. Another thing, thank the Lord for IKEA bags. These are just epic. We use them for washing, for moving stuff, for going on holidays, for a lot. They're only 50 cents a bag. And they're super strong. And they make lots of noise. Hey Google, play a Christmas playlist on Spotify. Hey Google, turn volume up to 80%. So I'm a bit of a clean freak, so I like to have plenty of cloths and like scrubbers and bathroom cleaner and stain remover and all kinds of stuff. There's a good space under the sink.
Welcome to the attic inside the farm. A bit of context. Obviously, Graeme and I sold everything that we owned in order to do this old YouTube thing.
But we didn't sell our Christmas stuff.
It is time to decorate. Also, point of reference, maybe you think this is a bit OTT. We used to run a Christmas shop in the mall, babe. We are Christmas obsessed. You will soon to find out. Here, we have found our tree, but we need to see what we got left, what we're gonna go with. We need to get in the vibe.
But we haven't had our own Christmas tree up for like 2 or 3 years.
Yeah, so for 2 or 3 years, that's what I was gonna say. We sold everything and we haven't had our own Christmas decks up. So the time's here. We're excited. Let's do this. How cool are these?
How cool is that for?
Right, here we got plates.
How cool is that?
Okay.
Think you go.
Right.
Guys, we have got the cats. She was meowing downstairs, so she's going to help us. Go on, go and have a little look around.
Hi. Go on. Okay, I think it's safe to say we got a stash ready. Now, let's get back to the house.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah,
Alright guys, this is the box of magic, the box of love. We have our tree and all the trinkets that go in it. I did have to decide between the Superman Christmas jumper or this one, but this is a bit more festive. I think we should do a time lapse, get this bad boy in, get these in the tree, and obviously get the lights going outside.
We got some work to do, babe.
We've got some work to do.
let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love.
Okay, the tree is finally done. We're not going to turn the lights off just yet. I'm going to quickly show you what's in the tree because we always pack our tree really full. So we've got a little Christmas sign in there. We've got like little birds. We've got roses, crowns, and little boots. What else we got, babe? We've got deer.
Big acorns.
Big acorns.
An owl.
Deer's head there. We've got a big owl in there. Okay, the light's going off in 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Oh, so romantic.
She's a beauty.
But babe, there's one very special lady that we need to discuss.
Get her up there, go on.
Okay, here she is.
Pretty cool.
Look at her hair is up. And she looks over us.
Get right up her skirt.
Babe,
What?
don't be rude. Angel.
She's straight.
She is.
Alright, the Christmas tree is up. Now for the big task of putting all of the icicle lights all the way around the house. But it's already like 6:30 at night and it's already dark. So we're going to go and get hooks so we can hook them easily onto the guttering. And we need a massive, massive long ladder
to get to the top of the apex of the roof. So it's gonna be fun. I think we're gonna get the hooks and then basically go to bed and then wake up really early and get the outside lights out.
Ahead of it, babe.
Big day. Okay, good morning. The Christmas lights on the outside are going up today. We finished the tree literally 2 days ago, but we've been so busy still like moving stuff in. And I actually got the wrong lights, so yesterday we had to go back to the shop, get the refund, and then go and buy some proper lights because they didn't all connect. They were just like single icicle lights. Schoolboy mistake.
Big mistake. Babe.
Bit of a mess here. We're about to put on a chicken on the rotisserie in the oven.
In the cupboard.
In the cupboard. So basically, we didn't have an oven in this place because it was going to be an Airbnb, so we didn't allow for an oven. However, we went on a second-hand website and we've got a brand new oven for €35.
Check it out.
And she fits perfectly in the cupboard. There she is. She's a beauty. And then she's got a rotisserie element. So we are going to get a chicken on the go. Theodora's just putting up a video. Are you ready to put the lights up?
Yeah, I am ready for that actually.
Can you hurry up then, please?
Yeah, I'm working, babe. I'm working on it.
Alright, this is what we got. All the lights. Beautiful. It's absolutely Baltic today, so we need to do this quickly. And Theodora, come on! Let's get going! Okay, we've got zip ties to go around the gutting. Then for the apex, where it's wood, we've got these little clips. We've got one adapter, and all of these lights connect onto each other. So,
okay, not to worry. I'm here to assist, babe, with the Christmas lights.
all right, let's get a time lapse on and get these bad boys up before it gets dark. It's only 10 AM, but it's gonna get dark soon.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride.
It's absolutely freezing. I can barely feel my fingers. Theodora's gone in to get a cup of tea because her hands are about to fall off. It's taken a lot longer than what I expected, but it's cool.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
I needed some gloves. It's so cold.
Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I'm not scared of heights, so that's lucky, but I'm not a massive fan of these ladders. You catch me if I fall.
A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and light, misfortune seemed to slide. We got into a drifted bag and
They just
then
lift it
we
out.
got upside. Oh, jingle bells,
That's enough.
jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Okay, the lights are up. We were about that much short at the end of the gutter, so we're not going to put an extra set of lights for that. Next up, we've got to hang this bad boy. Ready?
Hey!
Santa in a hot air balloon.
He is really cool, babe.
Oh, it's nice and tight. Christmas.
He's awesome.
He's a beauty.
He's well cool. Okay, my mum got us some awesome red bows to put on our little tree by the door. So, what do you reckon, like here?
Yeah, it's great.
How's that, babe?
That looks awesome.
That's well nice.
And another one there.
Another one there.
Beautiful. Thank you for everyone watching, and a big thanks to our patrons for keeping on supporting us. Make sure you tune in next time when we do a proper house tour where you get to see the whole house and upstairs and maybe the bathroom. And we've put up a lot more decorations, so make sure you tune in next week.